Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be talking about the environment of Adobe Photoshop. So without further ado, let's open up our Adobe Photoshop. Alright, as you can see, I'm using Adobe Photoshop version CS6. It doesn't matter which version you're using right now because we are going to focus on the basics only, and I can assure you that almost all the elements are the same in all versions, but it would be great to use the newest version as well. So here in Adobe Photoshop, we can divide this environment in different sections. For instance, on your left, you can see that there is the tools panel, okay? And here there are all tools that we need for editing our images or even creating some graphic design. And on your right, you can see that there are more panels. For instance, here we have the layers panel, which is one of the most important panels in Adobe Photoshop. And also we have adjustment, colors, etc. Okay, but the most important panel here is the tools panel. Okay, alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next video we're going to be talking about the basics of Adobe Photoshop and how you can use these tools. So see you in the next video.